Yeah, so VEIKK comes with this soft pen. Yes, this lovely drawing pen from VEIKK comes with this lovely pen, very soft in your hands. Hello guys, again welcome to Happy Phone YouTube channel. Today we are checking out VEIKK mini drawing pad. Yes, so I ordered for it and then it has been delivered. It comes all the way with from China via AliExpress. So we open it right away. So this is VEIKK S640. Then this says free your mind. Yeah, let's see how it will free your mind. 640 pen tablet. So it comes with full specifications at the back, and we go straight to open the box and see what we have inside of the box. So as you can see, it comes loaded with the cover. Remove the cover from it. The USB is not separated, so it comes with its own built-in card. So this is the driver. If you need to download the driver, go to their website www.veikk.com. so this is where you download your driver. You can also scan it where the scan code available in the paper card. Yes, so do that and you have the software on your system. So it also comes with a note telling us that yes, the notes come with spare nib and then spare everything. So this is how the pens looks like, the pad looks like. Sorry, comes with everything, so sick. And this is the size is 4x6. Yes, yeah, according to the specification it says 4x6. So let's see, it's very slick. Comes, like I told you, with the USB already pre-attached to the tablet, so it's not detachable like any other one in the market out there. So this is how it looks like, S640. So just to confirm the size again, I have a printed 4x6 photograph with me in the studio, and I said let me use this to check if the size is accurate, and from the confirmation we see it's very accurate. 4x6 S640. So it comes with this pen pack, branded VEIKK pen pack. Then you can see the pen too, very silky and very soft in your hands. So that's what it comes with. So it's very soft, and it keeps your pen from getting lost or from the nibs from getting damaged. So this is very soft VEIKK pen. So, and you can check it out if you ever lay hands on it to see how soft it is. So it comes with the nibs remover and spare nibs. So in case maybe your nibs got damaged, just use this nib remover, then you have a spare nib also to check. Then it also comes with this VEIKK clothes, though I don't know what the code is meant for. I don't know what the function is, but yes, it's part of what comes with it. And it also comes with this manual, the quick start guide. So it does not have, telling you that it's S640 is battery free pen tablet. So the manual is both in English and in Chinese. So if you have any question on it, you can just check the manual. So guys, this is just the unboxing of the VEIKK pen. It's very soft and very soft. So if you have anything else, drop it in the comment section So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and follow us on our social media platform, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram at LappyPhone. See you again on the next episode, guys. So